fam, good morning! Welcome back to our channel, and this is Lawrence from Albo Fam Bam, and I have here my daughter. So good morning fam, and it's really fall. So it's been a while actually since nakapag-record kami ni Mami. Well, life is lifing, so medyo nagkasakit, at the same time medyo na busy, but all good now. And ayun, we're very thankful na nakastart na rin si Kuya Davon sa school. And then so far so good, maganda ang feedback ng school nila. So it's been a week na rin. Ayan. And yeah, a couple of things happened. Na-change ko lang naman ang lock ng aming door to a very modern one. So may fingerprint, may video, and also syempre for the security of our family. So ayan, so good morning again, and maglalakad na tayo pahatid sa ating mga anak. And by the way, this is what happened pala yesterday dun sa meet and greet ng parents and teachers ni na Kuya Davon. Watch this. Hello fam! So nandito kami ngayon sa open parking ng school ni Kuya Davon. And since may event sila dito, ayan, nag-order kami ng ice cream from the food truck. Anong flavor ng ice cream mo, Kuya? Kuya, anong flavor ng ice cream mo? Va?
Nom.
Vanilla and rainbow sprinkle. Ayan, fam. So, may event sila dito, organized by the school. And then, nag-provide na, syempre, magbabayad ka. Pero, nag-coordinate sila na food trucks. So, ice cream, yung Indian cuisine, then food coma, parang mga western food naman. And then, there you go. Kita nyo, dun yung mga teachers. So, it's a meet and greet pala ng teacher and parents. And then si Mommy. Ayan. And sa mga nanonood na sa amin, very familiar na sila dito. Pero dun sa mga bago, ipapan ko ulit. So, ito yung napakalawak na field. So, nandito yung open parking. Then, yun yung normal public school dito. Non-Catholic kung tawagin. Then, napakalaking field dito. May playground, my playground. And then, yun naman ang school ni Davon dito sa Skyview. So, there you go. Ayun nga. Again, may mga kids, parents, and teachers meet and greet. And kung yung mga nagtataka bakit wala si Lianica, nasa daycare pa. This is around 4 PM pa lang. Ayan. Ganda. And syempre ang aking kuya, tapos na siya sa ice cream niya. So, punta na ng playground. Alrighty. Yan, so going back, hatid na natin sina Kuya Davon. Nag-agree ako na mag-scooter siya kasi medyo magaling na talaga siya mag-scooter. So, ayan, and magbo-bicycle naman si Lianica. Alright fam, so samahan nyo ulit kami for today. And there you go fam, bicycle si Lianica, scooter naman si Kuya. Ayan. So, mga ilang huling araw na natin to na mapapadaan dito. Siyempre, pag nag-snow na, lagi na tayong magsasasakyan. That's why as much as possible, ayoko magsasakyan ngayon pag hinahatid sila. Kasi gusto ko na laging naglalakad, laging nagbo-bicycle. Kasi ito lang yung time na yun eh. After that, we need to use the car. Kasi frozen to. Although, nalilinis din, pero siyempre sobrang lamig. It will take time then pag maglalakad ka. Ayan, so let's go for our daily weather check. Sobrang ganda ng weather today. The sun is out. And morning. Based on my, it's 9 degrees Celsius. So fall na talaga pa. Malamig na ang morning. One thing about cold morning is wala na rin masyadong lamok dito fam sa dinadaanan namin. Previously yung super mainit pa, like around 20 degrees, 15 degrees yung temperature. Ang daming lamok dito. So there you go fam, lakad lang kami and see you later pag nakatid ko na sila. Ang sweet talaga nitong magkapatid. Kasi pag nag-bicycle lang si Lian, diretso siya doon sa kanto. So yan ang sweet ng kuya. Kasi hinto talaga ang kuya to stop her. Ayan. Kasi baka magdire-diretso si Lianica. And, okay kuya, daddy is here. Thank you. Love you. Thanks for taking care of Lian. Alright, right. Okay. Dito na tayo sa school malapit. First task done. Hatid na natin si Lian. And si kuya naman magsistay lang sa akin kasi nga wala siyang school today. Ayan, scooter na ang kuya. So, let's go home. Yan naman ang mga pangarap na bahay. So, next time as we prepare for it, galingan pa natin. Gaganda oh. Ayan fam, so nandito na tayo sa bahay and look at the courtyard. It's our very neat courtyard and makikita nyo nagdidilaw na ang tanim. So saktong-sakto talaga ang punta ng aking mommy and sister dito at fall na fall. So golden talaga yung mga yan. And yung iba ata dito red. So there you go. Ayan, nagre-red na nga yung iba. Okay, so ikot lang kami ni Kuya Davan dito somewhere around lang ng compound para makapag-chill din si Davan. May activity siya this morning. Ako naman, it's 1 hour pa bago mag-start ang aking work. Nasa taas na tayo, prep tayo ng breakfast ng konti. So pardon for the noise. So chicken fries lang and magluluto ako ng scrambled egg for me and Kuya Davan. And ayun nga pala, sobrang tuwan-tuwa to si Kuya Davan. Kasi we went to Costco yesterday and may nakita siyang gustong-gusto niyang toy. And binili naman namin, pero with the condition na ito na yung Christmas gift namin sa kanya, birthday gift. So alam niyo naman, Minecraft. Si Steve. So there you go, binubuo na ni Kuya Davan. Kuya Davan, show me the ones that you've completed. Where are those? Okay. Nice. And where's Steve? Where is Steve? Okay. Alright, are you happy? Are you happy doing it? Very good. Ayan fam, so nandito lang kaming dalawa ni Kuya Davan kasi wala nga siyang pasok because of the teachers and parents conference. So ako naman, mag-o-office na in a few and parating na rin si Mommy. So good timing. Alright, so see ya! Hey fam, so nandito na ang daddy sa taas and waiting for our lunch.
Daddy,
So magkukwento si Kuya Davan. Yeah.
Look how many pages. No.
Madami ka nang natapos?
1.
Ano, galing ni Kuya oh.
26, 27, 28, 29,
Go.
30, 31,
Ito.
32,
So dami niya nang
34.
nabubuo.
I passed 34 pages.
Yes! Ayan, and nandito na din of course si Mami. So, naglabas ako kanina ng giniling na pork. So, ayan, isa to sa specialty ni Mami. Giniling with carrots and potato. So, yan ang aming lunch for today. And usually my partner yan na fried egg. Yan, so waiting for lunchtime. It's gonna be the weekend. And there you go, fam. So nandito tayo sa Super South na ang tawag ay Walden. So ihahatid natin si Honda Odyssey dito sa friend namin ni Dwayne. So thanks again, John. At ikaw na ang bahala sa Odyssey. So siya yung gagawa ng Odyssey natin for tune-up, check-up, bago natin dalhin sa Vancouver. So syempre, since pupunta dito si mommy and daddy and my sister, so we need to be safe. So ayan, so papakondisyon natin basically PMS ang ating sasakyan. Ayan, so nandito wala ata si Jan. So iwan na lang natin ang keys. May instruction naman siya sa akin din, fam. And ayun, ayun si mommy, just waiting for me. So syempre dalawa ang sasakyan para pagkahatid nito namin to ay may masasakyan ako imbis na mag-Uber ako and or taxi. So far it's working great. Yeah, nabiyahe ko siya like 45 minutes without any problem. And as you can see there, na-highlight ko na rin to before, meron check engine, it's for the O2 sensor. So bumili na rin ako just in case na kayang palitan ni Jan yung O2 sensor. Kung hindi, okay lang din naman. Ito yung mga parts na binili ni Jan, nabilin ko. So kompleto yan, may belts, may spark plugs, may filter, and then of course may din akong oil na dala doon. And there you go. So medyo messy ang sasakyan, but iwan na natin sa kanya. I think a couple of days lang naman. So may i-inform na lang na siguro ako pag ready to pick up na. So that's all.
And syempre, ang mga anak namin, ganyan sila pag nasa biyahe. Maingay lang, masaya, at nagkukulitan. Lian, say hi to the vlog.
Which one?
Which one?
Hagiwagi friend.
And pauwi na ang Alba Fam Bam. So actually malapit na kami sa bahay. At nahatid na ang Odyssey. So yun lang naman ang main focus na today.
At ayan, Pam, napakaganda ng sunset view natin. On the way na kami, pauwi ng bahay. Nasa Skyview community area na actually kami.
Diba, madami pa rin talagang mga bagong bahay dito.
Ayan, no?
Ayan, may mga
Dito din. Yep. May show home.
Ayan, parang 780,000 front drive homes, front garage. Malalaki yan.
Yes, that's correct.
That's quite expensive.
Hagiwagi
780, wow.
Yeah. Mga bagong bagong gawa. And dito na namin tatapusin ang video na ito, fam. And thank you again for watching. So, Daddy is still driving. Medyo malapit na talaga kami sa bahay. So, ayan, see you on the next video. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And that's it. See you on the next video. Hello.